In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Zoom with Google Calendar. By the end, you'll be able to create a calendar event that automatically includes a Zoom meeting link so your invitees can join with a single click. First, open the Chrome Web Store in your browser. In the search bar, type Zoom and look for the official Zoom extension for Calendar, sometimes called Zoom Scheduler or Zoom for Google Calendar. Click Add to Chrome, confirm the permissions, and give it a moment to install. Pinning the extension to your toolbar can make it easier to access later, but that's optional. Once the extension is installed, you'll be prompted to sign in. Use your Zoom account credentials to connect. If your organization uses single sign-on, choose that option. You may also be asked to allow the extension to access your calendar so it can add Zoom details to your events. Go ahead and approve this. If you're logged into multiple Google accounts, double-check you're using the calendar you actually schedule from to avoid confusion. Now, head to Google Calendar. Pick the date and time you want and click anywhere on the calendar to start a new event. If you prefer, open the full event editor so you can see all the options at once. Give your event a clear title like Weekly Team Check-In and set the correct time and duration. Add your guests by entering their email addresses, and consider enabling guest permissions like seeing the guest list or modifying the event if that suits your workflow. You can also add a location if you're doing a hybrid meeting and write a short description with an agenda or any materials people should review. Setting a notification helps ensure nobody forgets, and verifying the time zone is especially helpful if attendees are spread across regions. With your event details in place, look for the option that appears thanks to the extension. Make it a Zoom meeting. Click that. The extension will generate a Zoom meeting link and automatically place the join details right into your event, including the meeting URL and security settings like a passcode if applicable. If you don't see the option immediately, refresh the page or check that the extension is enabled and you're signed in. Finally, review everything one more time and click Save. When prompted, choose to send invitations so your guests receive the Zoom link in their email and in their calendar. That's it. Your Zoom meeting is now synced with Google Calendar, ready for smooth one-click joining.